Pakistani health officials say the so-called UK variant of the coronavirus is adding to a third wave of COVID-19 cases, but many here continue to ignore measures to prevent the spread of the virus. Shops, bazaars, and restaurants are often full of people without masks. Health experts say the COVID variant first reported in Britain is more infectious and more deadly. Still, critics say the government has also been lax in enforcing restrictions due to a lack of resources. While masks are recommended by the government, there are no consequences for not wearing one or for ignoring social distancing guidelines in public. Even indoors, in shops, grocery stores, government buildings, hospitals, people frequently violate the guidelines that could stop the spread of the virus. Some are calling it pandemic fatigue. Even people previously following strict restrictions have become complacent. Many have resumed life as usual. Meanwhile, Pakistan has reported at least 13,500 COVID-19 deaths and 600,000 confirmed cases so far. In a 24-hour period this week, Pakistan reported more than 2,000 new cases. With the third wave of the coronavirus underway, Pakistan's vaccination drive is still moving ahead slowly. Some of it is due to the public fear of vaccine side effects or conspiracy theories about the vaccine itself. The government also faces criticism for lack of planning and not doing more to make the vaccine widely available.
The government's target seems to be to vaccinate 12 to 13 million people in 2021. For now, only frontline health workers or people over 60 are getting this. But if you only plan to give it to 12 million people, that is not an adequate percentage of your 220 million population.
Meanwhile, the surge of COVID cases has forced the government to reverse its decision to ease coronavirus restrictions.
We were about to lift some restrictions from the 15th of March, but given the new COVID-19 numbers, we have changed our mind. We will continue restricting things like indoor dining or indoor marriages. In addition, schools in cities with higher COVID-19 numbers are told to take their spring breaks now.
Health experts say until the government manages to increase the number of vaccinated people, the problem will keep recurring. Ayesha, Tanzeem, VOA News, Islamabad.